All right, folks, this week's walkthrough Wednesday is 2417 Dauphine Street, Unit A. Just take a look at this beautiful quiet block we're on here. This is a part of the Baker's Row development. Effectively, this company purchased the Cubig's Pie Factory property after it tragically burnt down. They'd been operating since 1922, and this is really a historic site for this development. And they've gone in here and done just immaculate new construction. In fact, they actually won an award in 2018 for the historic preservation of the neighborhood in the new construction / design category. This place is just beautiful. That is a 30-foot series of windows straight up the stairs here. Just an absolutely beautiful kitchen and main room here. That's a half bath down there below the stairs. Harry Potter half bath. These are just so sleek and contemporary. About 1,800 square feet on this one, 1861. It's offered at $625,000. Look at this bathroom. It's decadent. From the front, they really preserve the character of the neighborhood, but inside just feels so space age, I guess is the right word, but they did it right. Timeless features, timeless design choices. Just a great contemporary feel. That was our master bedroom on the second floor. Now we're coming up to the third floor, which right now is configured as an office, but it's just an excellent studio up here. Got a little enclosed shower space there. And the rest of your bathroom is in this little wash closet. Check out that view. Just absolutely excellent. So there are 8 total units in this development. They really all feel like their own standalone buildings, but as you can see here, that's one unit right there, and that's the other one on the other side of that 30-foot tall glass window. There are 4 of these units that are still available. We're in one of them right now. This is the more expensive one because we have those street views. In a later walkthrough Wednesday, I'll show you some of the back units that are offered at $555,000. They have practically identical layouts to this one. Got our wine cooler. I love the cabinet color choices. And when Chris and I were here for an open house, I was just sitting at this couch here. And this room just feels so expansive. That's a gas fireplace there. Now I'll show you more of the grounds, so the common spaces that are shared between the units. Here's a small private patio for this unit. Here's our pathway to the private lot parking back here. I love the way they have these Bevelot gas lanterns back here. And so now the development should be kind of coming together for you. You can see where the other units are. Back here we've got an outdoor kitchen, as well as a great little bit of green space and a patio. Here's the patio space. And over here is that gorgeous outdoor kitchen. So this has been 2417 Dauphine Street, Unit A, that I'm showing y'all today. If you should have any questions about the property or would like to schedule a private showing, please feel free to give Chris Smith a call on his direct cell phone line. It's 504-231-2004. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. This is Jacob, signing off.